Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Asha's TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chips masala. For this, we need finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomato, a small quantity of coriander. Next one is radish or carrot. Here I'm taking radish because it has more health benefits and it gives more spicy taste. Arrange the chips flakes in a shown manner in a plate. Sprinkle the finely chopped onion over that. Next, you add finely chopped tomatoes. Sprinkle the grated radish on that. Also sprinkle a coriander leaves on that. Sprinkle rock salt according to the taste. Add a pinch of chaat masala over that. Squeeze out half lemon on that. And that's it. Chips masala is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Do like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.